Hello friends! Did you know that small changes can make a big difference in your finances? Have you ever wondered where your money goes without knowing how to control it? This is Money Minds, and we're here to change that. If you think talking about money is boring, I promise you'll see it differently here. I'm Ana Alvarez, and I'm here to revolutionize your relationship with money. On this channel, we'll talk about personal finance in a simple and fun way, from how to save for that dream trip to investing like a pro, and without boring technicalities. We're going to talk about personal finance, strategies to save more without sacrificing quality of life, smart investments that work, and how to start your own business. Worried about not understanding complicated concepts? Don't worry. Everything here will be clear, practical, and even fun. The mission of this channel is simple: to help you achieve your financial goals and live stress-free. Because yes, you can do it too. This channel is for you if you want to learn how to manage your money better, invest without fear, and stop your wallet from suffering at the end of the month. Here we'll talk about everything from saving, investing, how to say goodbye to debt, and hello to financial freedom. We'll share savings tips so your wallet and your dreams grow together, investment strategies, and key tips for starting a business without falling into traps. Everything explained simply, without complicated hassles. Our mission is simple: help you take control of your money so you can live the life you want. Do you want to learn how to invest without fear? Save for that dream trip? Or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck? Then you've come to the right place. Because no one teaches us this in school, but you'll learn it here. We'll teach you how to manage your money like an expert, achieve your financial goals, and make smart decisions. Because we all deserve to live without financial stress. Let us know in the comments what your biggest money challenge is, and if you want your money to work for you, not the other way around. Subscribe now, click the bell, and join our Money Minds community. Remember, you are the boss of your money, not the other way around. See you in the next video.